I'm Len Bitobek, the Chair of Parliament for the world's first space nation, Asgardia, and I send my greetings for this year's Unity Day. We've come so far in a fairly short time. We've got a fully functioning Parliament. We've also got a fully functioning government, head of nation who set this whole thing up, a Prime Minister with whom I work regularly, and many residents and even more followers. Our mission is very simple. It's to create a legacy for all humankind in space, which is surely where we have to go if we're going to fulfill the ambitions and the vision of our species. We've done that so many times before, but normally in a terrestrial way. Now we really can reach for the stars. And this Unity Day is about being united as we stand, daring to reach up to cosmos, which is waiting our presence. Happy Unity Day, and let's make sure that we're in space before too long.
Dear residents of Asgardia, dear Asgardians, dear citizens of planet Earth, today we are for the 5th time celebrating Asgardia National Unity Day. And it's true, our motto is one humanity, one unity, because we bring together people from all over the world who share our basic core values: humanity, achievement, equality for all, striving to space, and benefits from space research and exploration for the entire humankind. Join us in Asgardia. Let's make this work together. Happy National Asgardia Unity Day.
Good morning, all Asgardians. From the Ministry of Trade and Commerce and from me personally, I want to wish each and everyone a happy Unity Day in Asgardia.
Hello dear Asgardians, this is the 6th of Unity Day and we are very happy to be together. I hope we will succeed in our goals and we are doing a lot about it. Happy Unity Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Dan Shoemaker and I'm the Minister of Information and Communication, and I would just like to wish everyone a happy Unity Day from the sunny and slightly windy northwestern high desert of New Mexico.
Queridos amigos, es un gran orgullo pertenecer a esta nación y por ello les alcanzo un gran abrazo por el Día de la Unidad a todos. ¡Que viva Asgardia!
Dear all, we wish you a happy Asgardian Unity Day. We wish you be happy, successful, and achieve all your goals, and look to a prosperous future.
Also from my side, a happy Asgardia Unity Day. May we achieve our goals in the future all together.
Hello, this is Jennifer Gligerich, Minister of Equity and Resources, and I'm here with my wonderful son,
Vladimir Gligerich.
And we're here to wish you let's do it together, Happy Unity Day.
Queridos asgardianos, estamos viviendo los momentos célebres del Día de la Unidad. Y esto es muy importante, muy importante. ¿Por qué? Porque los preceptos de unidad que se han estado expresando en algunas manifestaciones mundiales son pequeños, pero son observables, son ejemplares y hay que reconocerlos. Vivimos tiempos complicados y como asgardianos debemos de remarcar el Día de la Unidad, una humanidad. Independientemente de todo esto, quiero recordarles que nosotros como asgardianos somos residentes de la Nación Espacial de Asgardia. Ser asgardiano no compete a una religión o a un dogma o a un clan especial. Somos humanos que estamos buscando constantemente la mejor manera de convivencia pacífica entre nosotros. Habrá tropiezos, habrá disrupciones, habrá momentos de contradicción, pero eso es lo que busca Asgardia. En términos generales lo veo así. Si somos de todas partes del mundo y todos estamos a favor de la paz, a favor de la unidad, queremos encontrar un nuevo paradigma para poder evolucionar como humanidad. Así que les dejo ese mensaje y les invito a disfrutar del Día de la Unidad. Muchas felicidades.
Aho, this is Cheryl Gallagher, Minister of Culture for Asgardia, wishing everyone out there a happy Unity Day 0006. In these chaotic times, it's more and more important to remember the motto of Asgardia, one humanity, one unity, that aspires to embrace the ideal of full human cooperation, collaboration, and living sustainably in peace, in space. And so it's my pleasure to wish every one of you, everyone out in the whole world, a happy and safe Unity Day. Aho.